Welcome to RJ classes. Again, today's video is the continuation of the current electricity, and today we will do the household circuit. Household circuit. So, what is household circuit? The circuit that we build in our houses for the safe passage of the current, that is said to be the household circuit. So in the category of the household circuit, first of all we are going to do about the wire. So wire that we use in our house, we have the three kinds of wire: live, neutral and the earth wire. So first one is live wire, other is neutral wire, and third one is the earth wire. So earth wire. So the live, neutral and the earth wire. In earlier devices you can easily notice the earth wire, but nowadays in many of the devices the earth pin you will miss there. So there are the only 2 pin plugs are there in most of the devices nowadays, but earth, that is also important. So first one is the live wire. So live wire, the color of the color coding, each and every wire has been provided a particular color coding so that it can be differentiated with the other wire, and while operating and while doing any of the work in a circuit we can easily understand which wire represents to means what kind of circuit. So first one is the live wire, and the live wire, that the means color of the live wire, that is the red. Red is the color of live wire and it provide passes for the क्या हो जाएगा means current. So mainly current passes through the live wire and it is connected to the 220 volt to means 220 volt and 50 hertz. That means it is connected to 200 to 220 volt and 50 hertz. It provide passes through this, the current pass in a circuit. So it is about the live wire. Next one is the neutral wire. It is of the blue or yellow color. So what is the color coding of the blue or yellow color? And it always remain connected to the 0 voltage, and it provide return path for the flow of electric current. So second one is the means neutral, having the blue or the yellow color, can always remain connected to the 0 volt and it provide return path for the flow of current. And the earth wire, it is connected, it always remain connected to the outer body of the appliances. Outer body of appliances and have been provided a means color green. And the what is the color of the green wire? And it provide क्या जाएगा safe passes if there is the safe flow of current. Safe flow of the current is regulated due to the earth wire. So if there is any means if suppose if appliances is faulty, if there is any means leakage of current, if any of the faultiness of the current, so it will क्या जाएगा flow through the live wire and go to the earth and will remain safe. So it provides safety, it provide means through this it ensure the safe passage of the current through appliances. So we have the 3 wire in order to make a circuit: the live, neutral and the earth wire. And we understood that the live wire will have a particular color, neutral wire will have a particular color, and earth wire will have a particular, and all the 3 wire has a particular functioning. Okay, so after wire, the next thing that we are going to do, that is the fuse, overloading, short circuit and the fuse. First one is overloading. So what is overloading? Load, that means anything that is connected to a circuit, any appliances in a circuit connected is said to be the load. And that means if you have been connected fan to your circuit, that is the load. If you have been connected fridge to the circuit, that is the load. So every appliances that is connected to a circuit is said to be a load. And overloading, that means every circuit has a particular limit, and if it crosses it, if go beyond that limit, so that situation is called overloading. That means if you connect more appliances to a circuit than the capacity of the circuit, So under that situation excess current will flow through the circuit and that can lead to the क्या हो जाएगा means damage of the circuit, that will produce means if more and more heat means electricity passes through the circuit, more and more heat will generate in a circuit and that will cause heating effect of the electric current. That means what it will cause, it can cause misfire, it can cause anything it can cause. So overloading. Next thing, short circuit. So short circuit, that means whenever the live wire comes in, if there is the faulty devices, if due to the any reason, if the live wire comes in contact with the neutral wire, live and the neutral both comes in contact, it can lead to the fire, it can lead to the short circuit. So that situation is said to be the short circuit. Under such a situation, circuit may cause, circuit get damaged, circuit may cause fire. That means dangerous situations, and it may lead to the anything that can cause damage to your circuit, that can cause fire, that can cause anything. So it is situations where live wire comes in contact with the neutral wire. And the next thing, that is the fuse. Next thing we are going to do, that is the fuse. So fuse is nothing, a safety device. So we have two of the safety device, one is the fuse and other is the MCB. One is the fuse and the other is the MCB. So fuse and the MCB both are safety devices, both work on the heating effect of electric current. Where it work? Heating effect of electric current, electric current. So heating effect of electric current, that means whenever whatever we have discussed, that the short circuit, in overloading. So in both of these situations, whenever excess current passes through a circuit, so under that situations more and more heat generate in a circuit and that led to the fire. So same thing happen here. So fuse and the MCB both are the safety devices, both work on the heating effect of electric current. And here, so in case of the fuse is connected, it is a this kind of box. We have a pin here. So live wire is connected to the one end and other to the from the other end again the wire. So between this gap, between the gapping of the two pins, it remain gap, and here the fuse wire is connected. So it complete through the diagram, through the rough diagram we can understand. So we have this kind of a device where the two pin is here, pin and socket, and live wire remain connected to the fuse to the one end, and from the other end again the circuit will start, and between the two end there is no wire, so between these two end, so a particular kind of wire will be used, and that is called fuse wire. And it is made up of an alloy of fuse wire is made up of an alloy of lead and the tin. And so after that it get connected, we connect this two end with the fuse wire, and fuse wire having certain characteristic. And what are that characteristic? First one, having the high resistance. Second one, low melting point. And the third one, that it is the thin wire, and made up of an alloy of lead and tin. So we understood this one. And whenever the excess current passes through the circuit, so how fuse works? So it works on obviously as I told on the heating effect of the electric current. As excess current passes through the circuit, so under that situation excess heat will generate in the circuit, and although the fuse wire has the low melting point, it melts, and disconnect the circuit, thus protect us and our appliances. So and the MCB, both are the MCB, miniature circuit breaker, miniature circuit breaker. That means the name itself the name itself is giving its information that it is nothing but the circuit breaker. That means whenever the excess current will pass through the appliances, so means this device it get heated, excess heat get generated, and it's automatically get turned off. That means only difference that in case of fuse, if the fuse wire melts, we manually will have to connect it. But in case of MCB, if excess current passes through the circuit, so MCB itself get turned off, automatically get turned off, and even under the normal situation it will start working again. So manually it is not to be operated. So that is the only difference between the fuse and the MCB. So that is the fuse and the MCB. So most of the topics from the chapters have been okay. So few things here, earthing. So how earthing is done? So the appliances to be earthed, so from one from the copper wire, a naked copper wire is taken. So one end of the copper wire is connected to the appliances, earth is dug out, their copper plate, charcoal, salt, etc. is placed, and the other end of the copper wire is connected to that plate, and it is earthed. So this whole thing is said to be the earthing, and it ensure the safety, that is nothing but only for the safety and some effect of the electric current. And what should we do, how to operate it? We should never operate it with the wet hand. We should never operate the electrical circuit and the appliances when the current is flowing through it. We should always try to wear plastic or rubber gloves, footwears, etc. while doing the electrical repairing or anything in a circuit. So electrical circuit should not be overloaded. The appliances should be should be faulty, and the faulty appliances should be checked out properly every time. If anybody get electrical short, first of all we should try to turn off the main switch. We should try to disconnect if the person is still connected to the electrical circuit. So under that situation we should try to disconnect the person from the electrical circuit, and that can be done either by the wet things, touch the person, by the completely dry object, non-conducting object, or keep the main switch off. So these are the things to be keep in mind while handling electricity. So these are the points, and in next video we will try to do some more things.